Hey, what's up everybody? Just wanted to do a quick video, say hello, talk to you guys about bicycle maintenance and let you know what's going on. So first off, tomorrow is this century we have around here. It's called the No Hill 100. I talked to the race director and he's gonna let me do 2 laps. So it's a flat course. I'm gonna try and do it in 10 hours. We'll see how that goes. Second, something new I'm trying out. You guys can see the truck has the wheel off and the chain off and the front wheel off. So basically doing some bicycle maintenance. I'm trying out this stuff here, molten speed wax. So I put it on my time trial bike. I'm gonna try that chain out. I got a YBN titanium, I think it's a SLA 110 chain for the tri bike. I'm gonna try it out tomorrow. Supposedly it saves you a few watts, and I'm just gonna run it on that 200-mile race tomorrow and see how that goes. And then I'm going to probably run it at the 24-hour time trial championship. You figure I'm gonna be pushing a couple hundred watts the whole race, for the 24 hours, couple hundred watts average. So if that chain saves me even 4 watts, that's 2%. So you figure if I would have done 400 miles with a regular chain, I'll be able to do 408 miles with that chain. So marginal gains do make a huge difference. And so yeah, that's why I'm doing it. So that bike is already done. The one inside, that's the time trial bike. That bike's done. They say to ride about 10 or 15 miles on it to get the chain perfect, broken in. So that one's broken in, it's ready to go for tomorrow. Today I can't ride, or I'm not gonna ride obviously because I'm gonna go hard tomorrow, so I'm doing this bike. So what I suggest, if you're gonna do the molten speed wax, first off, what you wanna do, that's a little autofocus, is pull your wheel, pull your chain, and then don't wax it and then put it on a dirty crank, dirty derailleur. So clean this, use mineral spirits, wipe it down, get it nice and clean. It's not too hard to do. You guys can see. Let's see if that's in there. We go. So I just cleaned it up a little, no big deal. Clean this guy up a little. And then I went through and I did clean the cassette. So that's pretty easy too. You guys, you pull this, pull your cassette off. And then I like to use this thing. So I got my kicker cassette sitting in here right now. See how clean that gets it? That's probably actually done. So that thing was super dirty. You get a little ultrasonic cleaner, mineral spirits, stick it in there, and boom, done deal. So then after that, that's what you're gonna wanna do with your chain. Either stick it in with some mineral spirits and an ultrasonic cleaner. If you don't have an ultrasonic cleaner, use an empty bottle with mineral spirits, put your chain in there, shake it up. You gotta get your chain perfectly clean before you wax it. You don't want dirt in your wax, and you don't want it in your chain. So then you heat up your wax, you swish it in there and hang your chain. There's plenty of instructions on how to do that. Well, anyway, if you're gonna do your chain, do all your stuff so then it stays clean. And then what I did is I got a backup chain, so that will allow me to just swap chains, and then I can clean and do the other one while I'm riding the other one. That only lasts a few hundred miles, so we'll see how tedious this is. Doesn't seem too hard once you kind of get a process down, and if you do a couple chains at a time, then you're good to go. But so anyway, that's that. Riding the No Hill 100 times 2 tomorrow, 200 miles. That should be good. It's gonna be cold, rainy, windy. The wind might mess me up a little, but I'm gonna give it a go. Weight loss, I'm down to about 191. You guys know in May I was 233, so what's that, 42 pounds down? Feel good. This is, I'm at a normal BMI. What's funny is I'm at a normal BMI now. I just hit normal BMI. I think normal BMI for me was like 196, 197. I'm 6'3". And now everybody's telling me, like everybody I see at work and friends and stuff, they're all telling me, oh, you look too skinny. And it's funny because Americans are fat. And so when they see someone that's a normal body weight, they say that they look skinny because they're not used to looking at people that are normal body weight. My friend Roy was telling me about that, and man, it's definitely true. So I'm a normal body weight. I can still healthily lose 30 more pounds, 30 to 40 more pounds, and be at a healthy BMI versus being overweight. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just keep dropping pounds until I start losing power or not feeling right or whatever. But man, I feel good, I feel strong, and this is the best shape I've been in my life. So anyway, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow, and we will see how the no-hill 200 goes tomorrow. It's gonna be good practice for Borrego Springs 24-hour road time trial. All right, we'll see you guys later.